Hello everyone, welcome to ridhimaacreations. Today we'll see how to do a beautiful mango design using batik printing on a cotton cloth. Batik printing or batik art is an ancient art form which uses wax and dyes to create unique designs on fabrics. It is believed to be derived from the word ambatik, which means to mark or draw with dots or spots. A batik creation ideally involves three basic steps. The first is waxing, the second is dyeing, and the third is wax removal. Firstly, the melted wax is applied over the design on the fabric. Then, once the wax has dried, the fabric is dyed to the color of choice, and finally the wax is removed by scraping or by boiling the cloth in water till it peels off. You then have a beautifully colored piece of cloth with intricate designs such as these Rajasthani patterns we have created. Batik is very popular in India and Indonesia and is appreciated world over for its beauty. In India, you can find the finest batik print fabrics from the artisans of Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. So let's start with the tutorial. Please subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, do follow us on Instagram to get the latest updates on our art and craft classes and for fun, creative DIY ideas. These are the materials that you will need. Poplin cotton fabric, a pencil, yellow carbon paper, safety pins, a pan, paraffin wax and beeswax, dye mix materials which I will be telling further, salt, fixer, rubber gloves, a bowl, hot water, a safety mask and a stove. Please subscribe to Ridhima Creations and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website www.ridhimaacreationsartandcraft.com for details of latest art and craft workshops and classes we conduct. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.